India is a land of diversities in the planet Earth. The geography of India is an essential subject to be studied by every citizen of the country. As a nation, India occupies a significant position in the world. It is a country known for its unique culture, history, heritage, natural resources and human capital. Each part of India is unique in its geography, culture, language and socio-economic conditions. Mizoram is one of the prominent states in India. The main objective of learning this lesson is to know about its geographic setting, people, governance and its contribution for the country. In this lesson, the following aspects of Mizoram are highlighted. That is the physiographic setting, the climate, rainfall and land cover, the administrative divisions and population, economic resources and contributions, and finally about the culture, tourism and unique features of the state as a whole. Now coming to the geographic location and area. Mizoram occupies a land area of 21,081 square kilometer. The geographical location is 21 degree 58 minutes to 24 degree 35 minutes north latitude and 92 degree 15 minutes to 93 degree 29 minutes east longitude. The state extends to north-south length of 277 kilometers and east-west width of 121 kilometers. Mizoram shares its borders with Myanmar and Bangladesh. The interstate bordering states are Assam, Tripura and Manipur. Now next is the physiography. The geographical divisions of the state are the lower and central Assam hills, known as the Shillong Plateau, consists of the Garo, Khasi, Jaintia and the outlying Mikir hills, the Barail ranges and the low hilly terrains of Mizo hills, the alluvial valley of Brahmaputra, Dhansiri and the Barak river. The lower and central Assam range in reality is a plateau or flat tableland which includes from west to east the Garo, Khasi, Jaintia and the outlying Mikir hills. Khasi and Jaintia hill portion of the plateau are comparatively higher and flatter than the Garo and Mikir hills on the west and northeast. The highest peak of the plateau is the Shillong peak. The lofty Barail ranges, also known as the North Chachar hills, are separated from the Shillong plateau on the northwest by a network of narrow valleys. Tectonically, the Barails form a southwesterly extension of the mountain chain of Nagaland and western Burma. It is this chain of mountain that separates the valley of Irrawaddy and Chindwin of Burma from the valley of Brahmaputra and the Meghna. The Patkai, Naga and Manipur hills and the Mizo hills form part of this great mountain system. The Mizo hills consist of a belt of north-south trending ridges with intricate valleys with an average height of 3,000 feet. The alluvial plains of Assam consist of two distinct parts. First is the valley of the Brahmaputra and its tributaries, and second the Barak valley. Mizoram is connected to the rest of the neighbouring states through Chachar district of Assam lying in the north. The terrain exhibit a very immature topography. In Mizoram, the topography and physiographic expression north to south extending steep, mostly anticlinal, parallel to subparallel hill ranges and narrow adjoining synclinal valleys with series of parallel short mounds or topographic highs. In general, the western part of the anticlines is steeper than the eastern side. Faulting in many cases have produced steep fault scarps, especially along the steep dipping fault plains. The other regions are the highly dissected ridges with the formation of deep gorges, spurs, keels and calls, which has developed due to intensive erosion on the rocky terrain. The elevation between valley and hilltops varies from west to east and ranges from 200 meters to 600 meters. The steep hill ranges occur towards the east part of the state. Now next, moving on to the rivers. Chimtupui or Kaladan is the major river found in the state of Mizoram, flowing towards southern direction, which has its origin in Myanmar. The other most important rivers are the Luang, Tut, Tuirial and Tuival, which flow in the northern direction. Now next are the lakes. Palak, Tamdil, Rungdil and Rengdil are the most important lakes of Mizoram. The Palak Lake is situated in Chimtupui district in southern Mizoram and covers an area of 30 hectares. This lake was created as a result of an earthquake or a flood. The Tamdil Lake or Lake of Mustard Plant is a natural lake situated 110 kilometers from Aizawl. This lake is an important tourist attraction and a holiday resort. Now coming to the establishment. The state of Mizoram came into existence on 20th February 1987. Former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi inaugurated the new state. Its capital, Aizawl, Mizoram, means me, people, Zo, hill, and Ram, country, literally land of the hill people, is one of the 7 sister states of northeastern India.